Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the Subaru Solterra rear cargo cover. This is going to be the OEM from Subaru. This package that I have is the Subaru Solterra Premium, and it doesn't come with the rear cargo cover. So here's the rear cargo cover. This is how it comes in. So when you open it up, you know, it is labeled Toyota Genuine Parts. The Subaru Solterra does share the platform with Toyota, so this is a Toyota part. So let's go ahead and open it up here. So here's the cover, pretty much nothing to it. So installing it is simple. If you look at each side, you have a square cutout, so that's where each of the ends will go. If you look at the cargo cover here, each side is spring loaded. So basically you just want to line up one side and then line up the other, and that's it. And again, it's spring loaded, so if you want to remove it, just pull like so on each side and you'll be able to pull it out. Now closing it, you have the cutouts on the side here, and it just lines up like so. And then opening it, simple, and closing it. So there you have it. That's a look at the Subaru OEM rear cargo cover. Definitely adds that extra layer of privacy, so you know you can't see what's in the back. Easy to install, and it feels solid, and you can retract it and pull it back and lock it into place with ease. I've left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.